New shop lights, 1 year later. Hey folks, welcome back. A little handheld camera going on here. About a little over a year ago, I did a video about switching the lights over in the shop from CFLs to LED. I was really happy with the results. The price was right, I got the bulbs I wanted, everything seemed fine. But 2 days ago, about a week ago, I came into the shop, flipped on the lights, and was greeted with this. Not one, but two of my LED tubes out of whack. Okay. Now I know that it's not the LEDs themselves, it's the drivers in the tubes that have probably failed and they're kind of cheap anyway, whatever. So I emailed the manufacturer, the seller on Amazon. They offered a refund of $27. I said, that's great, but I want to buy 2 bulbs and you don't have 2 sets or even singles. Okay. So after that email exchange, I came back into my shop another day later and found this. A third one has gone out. Okay. Instead of spending the money to buy a whole new set, I said, hey, look, can I buy 3? The third one's gone out. What's going on here? With the third one out and I really want to buy new ones or give me new ones or whatever, the next email I got is, we're terribly sorry about this inconvenience and with your lights, we're sending you a brand new free 6-pack of the same bulbs you've got with the same color temperature and same Ks. So lumens and color temperature are the same. So they sent me 6 new bulbs, which I'm going to put in. And that's what I call good customer service, because that's the way it should be. Maybe not replace them directly, but give me a break price or something like that. But they replaced them. They gave me 6. So I got 3 spares just in case things go south again. So let's get these new ones put in place and make the shop all bright and lively again. There we go. New lights installed. Shop is now nice and bright again for working on the detail work. A little bit of background on LEDs. It's rarely the LEDs themselves that fail. It's the driver. This is the driver circuit for one of those bulbs. 2 transformers, some circuitry, and there's a microchip, a couple of microchips on here. Basically what this does is it takes 120 volts, steps it down to DC, and conditions it for the bulbs, because these use very little voltage in their DC. So that's usually what fails, is the electronics. If you do screw-in bulbs, it's the same thing. To give it electronics in them, to step down the voltage, and to turn it to DC. That's why they seem to get a little hot. It's because that energy has to go somewhere. So it's the drivers. Am I a little disappointed that these failed just after a year? Yeah, I'm a little disappointed. Well, I'm happy with the treatment I got from the company. All that's going to be in the description. Would I buy these again or contact the company again if these fail in a year? I don't know, I might. But $80 a year for 6 bulbs, I didn't pay for these, so whatever. If something newer and better comes along at a decent price break, I might replace them. But right now, everything's fine. So that's it, LEDs fixed. I have a bright shop again. Until next time, make great things out of wood.